Do you know that oil is being sucking every day in Anambra State? Simon Ekpa. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, no forget to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page. Let's go ahead and read out what Simon Ekpa talk about this, and we are playing the video for you to watch, to see what is going on in Anambra State. Okay, you that is from Anambra State, do you know that they are sucking oil in your state for a decade? And this was during Obiano's regime. The one we could see is other that we couldn't see. This is what Ndi Ohaneze and the Igbo senators and governors has been doing to us. It is ending soon. Simon Ekpa. Okay guys, we are going to play you the video, then we'll come back and analyze the video more better. So stay tuned and watch the video.
Boy, hello, Diana.
All the money that
See the tank ahead here, so Anambra State, so different places.
Where you Sienna? I lost my brother. Dad, yes. No. Man, so maybe should I be doing
Anambra State. We had discovered oil for many years. Malakita and Hala have achieved the island. Rely on the Gafia and the coast Africans.
Yeah, let me play a gate. You know what I get? Play a gate. I'm going to view inside. You want to know what kind of motor they are playing?
He only got for if I won the overall 4 months again. Never Nami oil, the Anambra State. The Fakitana. Or can view on one of your fan, if overall really land and I lie and I worry now. As you can see. But I say as well. Edu? Huh? For you people to see about Anambra State.
Guys, this is oil you are seeing in your land. Watch the video from beginning to end.
Yeah, well, for Baru, local government area of Anambra State. Oh, yeah, kind of kita now. Many places can actually be there any moment now. How maybe before Maloma Zebra, Banyo, Habra, we see everything, lay their pipe or go everywhere. So, boys say, what's you, Banyo, Makitana, hand they settle with boys. So, Eba can handle Kitana, let me 1 or 2 things. So, now I got to go see to confirm eyewitness. No so Kole, Wapo IPOB, one family. Online on Gafia, no Yadifa. So they are ready to start working now.
Just what they can work.
Online on Gafia, Malandia, and Mahavia Hapron, the Bamrezia, Auruzian, the Agana, 1 naira, Malanda, Wandeva, Resenda Gallery, a group. Randeva, Tiasalo, Mono, Dish, Mono, what he see, and up 1 naira. So Rosen Devunde, Awanda by an Elizia Godina, Obodo. So, Yana Yaga Pugosiade, no Baru, local governments, Anambra State, Corner.
For good 4 months, I
unu ga-afụ ife niile ahụ paịpụ nke eji amị mmanụ nke na-ekwu ife anwa ife niile adịgo ready right now la Anambra State Ogbaru local government of Anambra State. No Suckling reporting. I'm still going you. Just be there for me. Thank you. So back everything the Anambra State Ogbaru local government of Anambra State. About ebe a na-ebido imi ile anyị na-ekwukịta na ife niile adịgo set to start. Understand? So ebe a ka m na-agwa ụlọ Ogbaru Anambra State of local government. So ebe a ka a na-ekwu maka ya. Thank you. Anyị ga-apụsị the workers and everything. I nwere a lot of things laba anyị here mana because of the saboteurs anyị nwere na be anyị enwezi ife na-aga aga pụtago ndị ugwu ele eri anyị n'ọrụ mgbe ebe anyị nwere a lot of things. So I'm ebe a ka m confirm ife ọla emenụ ọ nọ Suckling eyewitness. So ụlọ la anyị ụlọ ga-afụ ya. So na ya nwere ife a. Pipe niile na-elile ala elichago a lot of pipe things arụbagoro ma ndị abụ ife achọrọ iji complete the work. So ụlọ anyị ụlọ ga-afụ ya Anambra State na Anambra gwara ibu abata m ebe a today wee confirm ala Anambra buru ibu ebe a gbara ife a no less than 3 hours or 2 hours plus etiti desert kedụla Ogbaru local government of Anambra State ọ wee ebe anyị nọ kịta na were weta the report IPOB one family no Suckling reporting. Akala m abịakwanụ cherekwanụ m anyị na-aga another branch aka na-egbukwa oil again Anambra State the same Ogbaru local government of Anambra State anyị ka na-abịakwanụ na na-eso anyị na-aga.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and you don't see am say oil dey for Ogbaru for Anambra State, and I believe say people wey dey that side they go dey suffer wey be say they get mineral for their land wey supposed to make them rich. As this young man is talking in this particular video that the boys stop them working and they come and settle boys. This is not the issue. What kind of settlement are you talking about? Who are the people in charge of this drilling of this particular oil? And is this particular oil going to contribute to the state, or is it individual company are drilling this oil? So what is the source of drilling this oil? So my people, there is a lot of sleeping that we need to wake up inside. Okay, my people, what do you think? I want me to drop your own opinion for this particular video where you don't watch like this. One hear with you, one talk about them, and the PM will be Simon Ekpa. Biafra government in exile don't talk put. He say very soon he go stop this thing where they happen. So what do you think about it? Is what Simon Ekpa is about to do is very good, or do you think otherwise about what Simon Ekpa have decided to do? So let us know. We want to know, and we would love to have your own opinion in this particular video as well. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Stay tuned and be checking on us.